This is All India Radio. Whispers of the Wind. All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasad presents science serial Whispers of the Wind, based on understanding and managing climate change and global warming. Let's listen to episode number 3, titled Variation in Earth Climatic System.
Abha, you should not laugh like this at others.
Ma, but what is he singing? I cannot hear him properly or understand anything.
What happened, dear? Are you smiling at me?
No. Lakshman, you carry on.
Uncle, what are you singing?
No, dear. I'm not singing. I'm just humming. Nothing in particular, you see.
Papa ji, you please take this shawl. Okay. It is getting colder now.
Yes, Ma. Even I'm feeling cold now.
Beta Abha, wear something warm. You would need more warm clothes with cap and gloves when we reach the top.
Yes, Dadu. Dadu, this sounds strange, isn't it?
What, beta?
Bhaiya must be sitting in AC watching TV right now. And we are feeling cold and wearing warm clothes. I know Nainital is a hill station and it will be cold there. But me and Bhaiya are in the same country, just 300 kilometers away. And so much difference in temperature. It's really funny.
Beta, when I was your age, I used to think same, you know.
You find everything funny, Abha. Relax and try to cover yourself under the blanket with Dadu.
Come, beta, come.
Uncle, you should also wear something warm now.
No. Don't worry, dear. I'm used to this weather. It has been 10 years that I'm driving taxi on this route.
Oh.
Now no hot or cold affects me. I would need warm clothes once we reach Nainital.
How is that possible? I am feeling cold. Dadu and Ma are also feeling cold. But you don't feel so. That's magic, isn't it?
No magic here. We get used to the place we live in. We enjoy the cold temperature, but feel very fussy in hot places. We can't bear hot climate, but enjoy in cold climate. Unlike you, who would enjoy warm weather more than cold, isn't it?
Yes,
true.
Lakshman, beta, do one thing. Stop the car near some tea stall or dhaba. Let's relax for some time and have some tea and snacks.
Yes, sir. I'm going to stop at my favorite tea stall on the way.
Okay.
He's a good friend of mine and he makes brilliant tea. Best place on the way to stop by and relax. It's just 2 kilometers away from here.
Okay. No problem.
Papa ji, the dhaba has come.
Hey, Raghu.
We get good.
I'm here again.
Hi
Get some
Lakshman
snacks
Bhaiya,
also.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine Bhaiya. After a long time. And how was your sister's wedding?
Everything went well, Raghu. She's happy. So we are happy too.
What else one can ask for Bhaiya?
Correct.
Where is he? Lakshman? Oh, Lakshman.
Yes, sir.
Listen, come here. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Ask him to make some good tea, okay?
Uncle, please sit here. I would get tea for you.
1 minute.
Ma'am, you would also take tea?
Yes, and a glass of milk for Abha.
Okay,
Mom,
ma'am.
Can I also have tea?
You can, beta, but I think you should have some milk rather than tea.
Abha, your mother is right. You know, you are not used to having tea and we have to move ahead. So, there is another 2-hour drive before we reach to Sunil in Nainital.
Okay, Dadu. I'll have milk then. Ma, why are we going to Sunil, uncle?
Because Sunil uncle is your father's best friend. He insisted that we stay back at his place. And Abha, one more thing. You find this temperature difference funny, right?
Yeah.
So your Sunil uncle would help you understand this fun better.
How come?
Because he is a meteorologist.
But Ma,
No more questions now. Wait till we reach Nainital to Sunil uncle's place.
okay.
Namaskar, Babuji.
Namaste,
Here
namaste.
is your tea.
Keep it.
The
yeah.
best one on the way. Try it. And Didi, your milk. Yeah.
Thank you.
You are doing a very good job. Tell me one thing, young man. How long you are here serving tea to people?
Babuji, I've been doing this since my childhood, when I was 8. Since that time with my father, he taught me the art of making best tea around.
Ma, see, even this bhaiya is not wearing warm clothes.
I see, beta.
Didi, don't worry. We would wear warm clothes in some time from now. When it gets dark here, that is in the evening the temperature drops. Then we need our warm clothes. Till this time, a shawl like this keeps us warm.
Okay.
Beta Abba, they are used to this, na.
Oh.
Bhaiya, really very nice, huh? It feels like you already knew what I was looking for. Nupur, try this tea. It's amazing, I'm
Yeah.
telling you.
Yes, Papaji.
Yes, sir. People going to Nainital definitely stop here to have Raghu's tea. Raghu is what we friends call him. His name is Raghav, sir.
Okay.
Yes. It is all your love and blessings, Babuji, that God has gifted me with this mastership.
Very nice.
Raghu.
Really.
Now don't try to be modest, huh?
Lachaman Bhaiya.
No, he's right. This is God's gift.
Milk is also really
Ah,
yummy.
look at her. He is also liking it.
Babuji, last week there was a couple traveling up.
Okay.
You know, they stopped by here as the wife was not feeling good. You know, she could not withstand the difference in climate. She was shivering, Babuji, shivering. And it was actually very cold that day. And you know what? They had to return from here.
Bhaiya, this sounds really funny. How a place is hot and at the same time of the year, the place is very cold? Like I left home in my summer dress and now see, I'm wearing a sweater, socks, shoes and this cap.
Didi ji, this is the magic of God who has made nature and which changes from place to place and time to time.
And all this depends on the climatic zones of the earth.
Madam, science plays its part, but we depend mainly on God's wish that has made this earth and the variations we see.
Correct.
Right.
Hey, I remember. There was this play in our school. I was a part of it. I played the part of Earth. My lines were, I remember. Do you know who I am? I am the Earth. Yes, this very planet. And I would like to talk to you about a couple of things which worry me and should upset you too. Everyone talks about the weather, like what it is going to be today and next day. Whether it would be cold today more than yesterday, will it rain? And it's normal as the weather plays a very important role in our lives. It influences us. If we are going to school or if we would be able to play outside. And it also influences all the living things as well as the plants. Thank you so much.
And your play was also very good. Your father recorded the whole of it and showed us. You performed really well, beta.
Dadu.
Very nice, Didi. I really liked your lines.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
But Didi, did you understand anything as well?
It was all so funny.
You know, she finds everything funny. Now, come on. Let's move from here. Because we have to reach before sunset.
Ah, we can see the sunset on the way also. You know, It's very beautiful and scenic.
I would love to see it. That is what we have come here for, right?
Yeah. Let's go, uncle. Bye, Raghu. Come, uncle. Let's go.
Hey, Sunil, you have a beautiful house.
Thank you so much, Bhabiji. I'm glad you like it. By the way, when is Rakesh coming?
Maybe by tomorrow evening? Or he might not come as well.
That is unfortunate.
Actually, it depends on his work schedule.
Oh, okay.
Abha insisted. So we thought of bringing her here.
Oh, that's
It's
so good.
vacation time, no? So kids want to go out for vacations.
Yes, I'm done. Uncle, but I'm a bit hungry now.
Oh, yes. The dinner is already up on the table. So you guys can come whenever you are ready.
Dinner at 7 p.m. Isn't it too early? Well, I want chocolate milkshake and cookies. This is what I eat at this time.
Abha, conditions here are different, beta. Just have what uncle is saying you to have.
Oh, it's okay, Bhabhi. Come on here, Abha. Actually, we live at a height, and here you won't believe sun sets very early, around 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Yes, and sun rises very early as well.
Oh.
So we kind of sleep early and get up early.
So you want me to sleep by 8 p.m.?
No, beta. You can stay up as long as you want, but let's have dinner first. Huh? What do you say?
Let's do that. Please come. I would serve all of you. Go, Abha. Call your dadu.
Okay, ma.
Good evening. There is a breaking news. There has been reported incidents of landslides, but no casualty has been reported. The roads nearby Nainital have been blocked. People are advised to stay away from the affected areas till further update.
Oh, thank God. We reached safely and hope Rakesh can come here tomorrow safely. These landslides happen any time. Beta,
Yes.
I am done with dinner and now feeling tired. I am going to sleep, okay? Abha, are you coming, beta?
No, Dadu. I want to talk to uncle.
Oh, okay then. See you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night,
night.
Dadu. So, uncle, mummy told me on the way that temperature at various places on this earth is different. I understand that it is because of the presence of sun that one area is hot and the other one is cold.
Right.
Some places have longer days and shorter nights, and vice versa for other places. But still, I want to understand this concept in detail.
Well, about that, you already know that weather changes from day to day and even from hour to hour.
Yes.
It can be hot and sunny during the day and cold and wet in the evening.
Yes, uncle. I can even feel that here. Usually, I play till 8 in the night during this time of summer.
Is that so?
But here, we had our dinner at 8. This is a really big difference in my lifestyle.
There are two main reasons that climate varies from place to place. First one is the amount of energy arriving from the sun, and second, it is the circulation of atmosphere and oceans which carry heat and moisture from one place to another.
Uncle, I did not understand anything.
Well, okay. Tell me one thing first. You must have read about the equator, right?
Ma, equator.
Yes. I taught her last week for the test that equator is an imaginary line on the globe which divides the earth in two equal parts. Here the temperature is very high. All the major deserts are present in this zone. And lot of rain also happens in this area. Do you remember, Abha?
Yes, ma.
Abha, do you know why this dry desert area gets heavy rainfall?
Yes, it is really simple, sir. Because the high temperature near the equator causes faster evaporation of water.
Very good. You are as intelligent as I was told.
Thank you, sir.
By the way, why are you calling me sir? Huh? I am not your teacher, Abha. Just call me uncle like you were saying when you arrived.
Okay, uncle.
Anyway, going back to the topic. Climate zones of Earth are distinguished by the latitudes that run across the Earth's surface. The most important ones are the equator, as we discussed, and then there is the Tropic of Cancer towards North Pole, the Tropic of Capricorn towards South Pole, the Arctic Circle, and the Antarctic Circle.
Difficult names.
Difficult indeed, but the funda is very easy.
Huh?
Yes, the region between the two tropics, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It is called the torrid zone or the tropic zone. This is the hottest part of the earth. The sun rays fall directly on this zone. Thank God equator doesn't pass through India, right?
Right.
India is north to the equator. That is in the northern hemisphere. This zone includes most of Africa, southern Asia, Indonesia, northern Australia, and Central America.
Okay.
And you remember the world map that you were learning, Abha?
Yeah.
Can you make out these places? Okay, just note down the names for the time being and can check it on the world map later once we return home. Fine?
Ma, now that you are listening to all our talks, why don't you come here and join us?
Yes, Bhavi, please do come.
Me?
And yes, I can relate much of this. Still, it is better to note these things down.
You should, beta. You should.
Uncle, all the places have been noted.
Fine, that's good.
But it's not over. Next is the temperate zone, which falls between the Tropic of Cancer to the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This is the perfect vacation zone, as it has mild temperatures and it enjoys all the 4 seasons annually.
Oh.
The summer, spring, autumn, and winter, the beauty of it all. It is because in these regions, sun is never directly overhead. So these areas get moderate temperatures.
And moderate means neither too cold nor too hot.
Yes, Bhaviji.
You know, in few such areas, there's year-round rainfall. In India, the Tropic of Cancer passes through Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, and Jharkhand. And on Earth, this line passes through Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil, Namibia, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, Australia, and Fiji.
Raining always. I don't like rain. I don't even want to go to these regions.
Well, my dear, then you would not like to go to the polar zones at all.
Why so?
Because it is very cold there throughout the year.
Exactly. In the northern hemisphere, there is North Pole, and in the southern region, there is South Pole. These regions get very less sun rays throughout the year. So they are very, very cold.
So they are full of ice and cold water.
So everything depends on the sun, right?
Right.
As Uncle said, direct sun rays on the torrid zone makes it hot.
Right.
And slanting sun rays on the temperate zone makes the climate there moderate. And less sun rays makes the polar regions cold. How do the sun rays affect the climate?
That is a very good question, Abha. Well, sun rays play a very important role in the climate of any place. You know that Earth is spherical in shape. So, the region near the equator gets more of direct sun rays, which get concentrated over a small area. And so, they heat up the region more and more.
And as we go away from the equator, the sun rays strike the Earth's surface at an angle.
Yes, and that means the sun's slanting rays spread over a large area and hence they don't heat to the same extent as direct rays.
Yes.
And that is why the temperature decreases as we go away from the equator. There is one more concept in this.
And what is that?
It is when something falls directly, it covers a smaller area, whereas if something falls slanting, it covers more area. So the concentration level changes. Same amount of heat is spread over more area, and that makes it less hot.
That means the higher you go, the lower is the temperature.
Yes, direction of sun rays and the elevation are two important factors that affect the climate of a place.
So Uncle, are there any other factors that affect climate of the Earth?
My dear, there are many factors like ocean currents, terrain, topography, altitude, latitude, prevailing winds, proximity to water, and a lot more.
Sunil. Hold on. I think it's too heavy for her. She won't be able to digest it.
I agree, but Bhabiji, don't worry. I would tell her all this in the morning with the sunrise and practical exposure.
That'll be good.
Okay, wow, I'm too much excited. Morning treat, sunrise and fun together.
Yes.
So here we are at the Nana Peak.
Wow.
You know, it is the highest hilltop and one of the famous tourist spots in Nainital. Here, Abha, come here, come jump to this point. Now, see, we are at such a height.
Wow.
Can you see the Nainital town from here?
Yeah.
And there you will see the first rays of the sun. Wait, keep watching. Hold on. There.
Oh
There,
my
can you see
God.
it? Have you ever seen anything so beautiful ever?
I never thought I'll get to see something this beautiful.
It is really worth getting up so early and coming here.
Yes.
Sunil, my son,
Ji uncle.
I could hear you talking to Abha last night about the climate change concept and factors.
Ah,
So, the brainstorming session is over or still something is left?
Papa ji, Sunil has brought us here for the brainstorming session only.
Okay.
Which continues like this. Sunil,
yes?
you trying to tell her about the altitude concept, am I right?
Exactly, Bhabiji. And also some other things. Abha, now understand this.
Okay.
We are standing at a height. And this is called altitude, right?
Okay.
Altitude is the measurement of height using sea level as the base. On an average, temperatures drop about 1 degree Celsius for every 160 meter of altitude. The higher the altitude, the lower the temperature.
Oh, I see. That is why it is colder here as compared to your home, uncle, right? And as high we move, it would get colder and colder. Am I right?
Absolutely.
There is one more thing I want to tell you, Abha. Next important factor of climate change is nearness to water bodies. Land gains and loses heat much faster than water.
Oh.
Based on the other factors, certain areas closer to large bodies of water may have a relatively small yearly temperature range.
Okay. Well, things are not that complicated. Uncle, you explain things really nicely.
Thank you, my child.
I'm getting a clear picture of every factor.
Oh, I'm so glad that you are not having more doubts anymore, I hope.
Yes.
Well, climate often differ on either side of mountain too.
Oh.
On one side, as air rises over a mountain, it cools, condenses and releases moisture in the form of rain. On the other hand, if dry air flows over the mountain, it descends and warms, usually producing deserts.
And this is the effect of mountains.
Yes.
As you're explaining things, Sunilji, even I have a question to ask.
Ma,
on,
you
Bhabiji.
too?
Yes, me too. Well, what happens in the case of oceans?
Well, the ocean covers more than 70% of the surface of our planet, as everybody knows. It is hard to imagine, but about 97% of the Earth's water can be found in our oceans.
Oh,
Of the tiny percentage that's not in the ocean, about 2% is frozen up in the glaciers and ice caps.
Then what about the water that we drink and use in day-to-day activities? Only the 1% left?
Yes. In terms of climate change, the ocean currents can warm or cool the air above. They greatly affect temperature, especially in coastal areas. These currents keep many coastal areas on Earth much warmer than they should be in winter.
well, when we are talking about the water bodies, we won't like to miss a boating ride in any lake. What say?
Yes, our next destination.
Good suggestion.
Yes, Abba Beta. I would take you to all the places here. I have made the route accordingly. First, let's go to the ropeway, then the boating ride, and then shopping at the mall road.
Yes, uncle.
Great.
But before we move from here, let's try that famous sweet of the region.
Sweet.
Yes, Bal mithai.
I like sweets.
Come.
Get me too.
Whispers of the Wind. You were listening to the third episode of this science serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, titled Variation in Earth Climate System. This episode was written by Neha Tripathi. Coordinators were Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was directed by Sudarshan Kumar, presented by Dilip Jha, and assisted by Arvind Sharma. Participants were Nikhil Diwan, Mamta Malkani, Pranshu, Mannat Nagar, Rakshit Thaplayal, and Nitin Bhasin. Hey listeners, please stay with us. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky winners will get a tractor prize from Vigyan Prasar. The first question is, some places have longer days and shorter nights. Why? And the second question is, what is equator? You can send your answers by simple post. Our address is Science Serial Whispers of the Wind, All India Radio, room number 615, New Broadcasting House, Sunset Marg, New Delhi 110001. You can also write on our email ID, which is radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Please do write or mail us your full name, age and profession. If associated with Science Club, do let us know the membership of your club. If you have any query or question, don't hesitate to write to us. We will